Hi there, Chingir here, and today I want to talk about cover letters. I get this question quite a lot. Do I still need to write cover letters and attach them to my resume when I submit my application online, or is it an absolutely archaic practice? So let's talk about it, right? And I want to address this question. The short answer is yes and no. Let me explain. No. Do not write these old school traditional cover letters 1 page, 1 mile long, right? This is not helping anyone. Please understand the nature of our work. If we're the first ones to see your application, to see your resume, and to see your cover letter, we do not have time. Again, a recruiter gonna spend about 6 seconds on your resume, right? If there is a cover letter, we're gonna glance at it. So what does that mean? It should be scannable, it should be readable, it should be very easy to grasp what's the core message there. Now, the answer is yes, absolutely. If the company gives you an opportunity to explain why you're interested in this particular role, in this particular company, always take this opportunity. So if they say like why our company, and you leave a blank space, you don't go the extra mile. You don't explain what's your motivation, why specifically them, what makes them special, right? And if you don't explain what makes them special, how do they know that you are that special person for them? Because everyone wants to have workers, wants to have employees who come there not for paycheck, but who come there for and they're driven, they're motivated by something more, something beyond monetary compensation, right? And that's your chance to show your voice, because your resume doesn't show it, right? So now, which brings me to my point, like, okay, so they give me this opportunity, they're not gonna spend a lot of time. What do I write? Write a very short cover letter, right? And cover letter should include 3 things, 3 short paragraphs, right? What are you professionally? Number 2, why are you interested? Number 3, what can you bring to the table, right? Let's walk through this. Number 1, what are you professionally? You should give a quick snapshot. So whoever, hiring manager, but again, it's gonna be a recruiter or a talent partner, they're gonna look at it and they're gonna understand, okay, this is what they do, this is what they're all about, this is what their skill set is, their experience, right? Their level, most importantly. I am blah, blah, blah with 2 years experience, 5 years experience, 7, 8 years of experience, 2 years developing level, 5 years career level, 7, 8 advanced level, right? Next one, paragraph 2, right? This is why I'm interested. Your motivation, again, your drive, like why specifically, why this company, what makes them special, right? You should be able to explain it and articulate it. And again, this is just like a teaser. So we understand that, yes, this person is very, very motivated for very specific reasons. They want to join us. We're going to look at it, but the true motivation going to be revealed during the phone call. As we talk, as we speak, we will understand what really drives you, what are your inner drivers, and what is your motivation to join our company. Paragraph 3, what you can bring to the table. Again, your job is not to qualify yourself, right? Qualification piece is on talent teams, on hiring teams. We need to understand if you're gonna be a good fit for the job. But your job is to show your value, right? This is what I can do. You've asked for this in the job description, and here is the whole package. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna solve this problem, but at the same time, here's the bonus. You're gonna get this, you're gonna get this, and you're gonna get this. And I'm an awesome human being. I'm gonna be a joy to work with and a culture fit, right? So I hope it helps you, right? Again, do not write long traditional cover letters in a language that we don't speak. Use this language, use your own language, use your own voice. Use every opportunity that the company gives you to provide them information, extra information, right? But again, do not make it long, make it very scannable, make it very readable, make it concise, punchy, and put the hook there. Study some copywriting, study some storytelling, and understand how to structure your story. Like the best cover letter that I've seen, there were like 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, right? And then literally like short punchy sentences. This is what I am, this is why I want to join you, and this is what I can bring to the table. Hope it helps you write amazing cover letters and land your dream job. Have a good one.